Understanding a ticking clock in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, a ticking clock. This expression is more than just about time passing on a clock. It's rich in meaning and is used in various contexts. Let's explore what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it to enhance your English communication. Stay tuned to unlock the secrets behind a ticking clock. Firstly, let's break down the literal meaning. A ticking clock refers to a clock that makes a ticking sound as its hands move to count seconds, minutes, and hours. This sound is synonymous with the ongoing march of time. But in English, this phrase is seldom about clocks or the sound they make. Instead, it's a powerful metaphor. The phrase, a ticking clock, is often used metaphorically to signify that there is a limited amount of time to accomplish something or that a deadline is approaching. It invokes a sense of urgency or a reminder that time is running out. For example, when working on a project with a deadline, someone might say, "We're working against a ticking clock here," to emphasize the need to hurry. 1. Deadline pressure. In the workplace, a team might feel the pressure of a ticking clock as a project deadline approaches, pushing them to work faster. 2. Life decisions. People often refer to a ticking clock when talking about important life decisions or changes that need to be made before it's too late. 3. Dramatic tension. In movies or books, a ticking clock is a common device used to build suspense, showing that the characters have limited time to solve a problem or defeat the antagonist. To use a ticking clock effectively in English, consider the context. Is it a formal situation, or is it casual? The phrase can be quite versatile, but remember, it's best used to convey urgency or a nearing deadline. You can say, "I feel like there's a ticking clock over my head," to express personal pressure, or "This deal is a ticking clock," to stress the importance of timely action in business. Understanding and using phrases like a ticking clock can enrich your English language skills and help you communicate more vividly. It's phrases like these that add color and depth to our conversations, making them more engaging and expressive. I hope this video has illuminated the phrase for you and that you'll feel confident using it in your own conversations. Remember, every second counts, so make the most of your time with the English language. See you in the next video.